So are we live? Yes. Hi there. This is Christy Matthews, ChristyJMatthews.com, ChristyMatthewsOnline.com. Hope you're having a great day. So today's topic is never be the bitch of your own mind. Ooh, how edgy is that? Oh my gosh, when I heard this quote, I just had to share it with you. I wish I coined it actually. It's a quote by Tai Lopez. And I'll let you go ahead and research who Tai Lopez is. If you don't know who he is, just go Google him. That's T-A-I, Tai Lopez. I've heard. So never be the bitch of your own mind. And what that means is that our mind is driven by deep evolutionary drives, okay? For example, narcissism is a protective mechanism, and our mind will always want to tell us we're amazing. In fact, we're told to say affirmations that say that we're amazing so that we can boost ourselves up. But in some ways, when we get wrapped into expecting to have some secret miracle come just because we're saying those things to ourselves, because that is important, but there's another piece that goes along with it. When we do that, we become a bitch of our own mind because we're not taking it the next step. And what we have to say sometimes to ourselves is to override that and say, no, I'm not so amazing. So let me go learn from those who are more amazing than I am. Do you see the correlation? So you're still amazing, but always strive to learn from somebody who is more amazing, who has gained more experience in life than you have in other areas that maybe you're not comfortable with or not as experienced in. Seek them out. Richard Dawkins stated that organisms who only learn by trial and error lose to organisms that can learn from others' trial and error. And so that's what this is all about. You know, this is all about a wiring mechanism or an issue that we think that we're smart. And if you're not smart, you can be very successful by hiring smarter people than you, if that makes sense. So you want to go ahead and seek those people out that can help you. And when you're trying to help people, you can't really pound your message into their head, but you can inspire them to learn from you. So like pain is something that's very inspiring. Here goes my dogs again. It seems like they've been doing this every day on my live, so I apologize for that. So anyway, when you're a bitch of your own mind and you're just freewheeling this thing, it's hard to be organized in life. If you think about it like a dog who is just barking right now, what a perfect prop, right? They're disorganized. They just kind of go willy-nilly, and and you can act on the animal side of things and wing life or operate from a sense of duty. And so when you're operating from a sense of duty, you want to find somebody who is a person of discipline and self-motivation and spend all the time you can with them. And they don't have to be a big influencer in any way. This is just somebody that you're going, wow, you know, that person doesn't need anybody to kick them in the behind. They know where they're going. They know where they want to go in life. I want to be around more of that because that's inspiring. You might be able to learn some things from that person. So another quote by Charlie Munger. Charlie Munger is Warren Buffett's partner, and this is what he says. Step by step, you get ahead, but not necessarily in fast spurts. So you must prepare for the fast spurts by learning step by step. So this gets back to never be the bitch of your own mind. Always be open to learning and not accepting the fact that you know all of that and that you're so smart, because there's always things that you can do to make yourself smarter. And you can do that in a very rapid way by learning from other people who are smarter than you. And if you want to become extremely intelligent, in a very short amount of time. Download stuff from intelligent people that you pick and you choose. One piece, one at a time. And you can go all over Google and research anything and build your mind. You can read books, you can listen to audiobooks. You don't have to agree with everything that's in there, but if you pick up one piece and keep adding that to your own intelligent library, things are going to be remarkably different for you. So don't be the bitch of your own mind. Get out of your own way. Open up your mind and think that maybe I don't know everything that I think I know. And go out and seek others who can help you. So I hope that you like today's message. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you next time. And by the way, if you like today's content, there's much more of it over at my website at christyjmatthews.com. Feel free to go over there and visit, pull down whatever you like. And I also have some great free training that will help you with your business over at my branding website, which is called christymatthewsonline.com. Go over there, pick down the courses that you want. It's a robust, free university of courses for you. So it's there for you to learn from. So you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.